Here's the app called Precious Baby Photo Art, Baby Photo Editor, and Tracker. 100,000 plus ratings. Precious is the cutest way to track your baby milestones and see your baby's development. This app automatically organizes your baby photos into adorable monthly pictures, grows slideshows, a photo calendar journey, and much more, all with no work required from you. Precious uses artificial intelligence to find the absolute best photos of your baby and uses them to create photo stories that will melt your heart. So here you just have it. You can just have double click to install it. Adorable photo art, try creative backgrounds, tiny stickers for tiny toes, explore 1,000 designs. And then yeah, there's just the app. Then you can just create yours. You can just get started. So yeah, you can just add it in here, and then you can then just add child's name and continue from here. So pretty good app, pretty great. So if you just want to create slideshows, if you just want to create photos with that, just try out.